Hey everybody, what's going on? What's popping right now? Well, a bunch of things, but crypto. Just kidding. Whoever clicked on this video, I'm going to tell you something that you're probably not going to like, but it's reality. But at the end, you will understand why time is almost up. What that means is we already suffered enough and we are looking into much better territory ahead. Guys, everyone is already a little bit frustrated with everyone at this point in crypto scams, rug pulls, bankruptcies, everything, right? Halting withdrawals, pausing, freezing. I've seen everything. You've seen everything to say, you know what, crypto is over and I'm out of this. That is the definition of the depression stage. If you ever watch that chart, right, that goes all the way to euphoria, craziness, and then at the pits of hell, you have depression, the end, unbelief. Well, everybody, what you're seeing on the screen right now is every time I see something like this from our friends at Stock Money Lizards, really recommend that you follow them on Twitter. I get the chills. And the reason why is because this was a year when I wasn't even really into investing. Some of you were already investing in 2014, but this is what happened with Bitcoin. Then 2017, this is what happened with Bitcoin. And then at the end, 2022, I was here, same as here. And this is what's going on with Bitcoin. Everyone, what I can tell you that you might not like, but it is the reality, as explained in previous so many different price predictions. And, people that always say and predict, speculation happens all day. We might go lower, even though we already got the FOMC meeting data, even though we already have the CPI. We might head a little bit down before we get up. That's just the way I see things right now, because we still have a bunch of time, after halving and during halving. We have a bunch of time in our hands. But every day it goes, we are losing that countdown and we are getting closer to the bull run of 2024, 2025, which I think a lot of people can agree that it's going to be 2025. And I'm telling you, at first, we're not going to believe it. We're just going to be so, focused on the bull trap, and this is just wealth manipulation, and this is obviously not real stuff. But once we are getting into this green, as it happened here in 2019 and 2020, forget it. This, obviously, 2021 is not represented here, but it was closely here. And then 2022, the bear market. So first, understand, guys, that a dump might be heading to Bitcoin 20,000 to 19,000 to 21,000, roughly around those areas. If ever happens, that is a speculation. Obviously, it's likely because whales love to play with our emotions, but because they want to get the cheapest Bitcoin possible. Once that happens, we are looking into much better direction as Bitcoin ETFs are open and SEC loses against XRP, Coinbase, and hopefully Binance. You put that all together, guys, and that is the recipe for success and heading higher. And I mean, breaking that all-time high of Bitcoin, $78,000, 69 to finally $78,000 and beyond. That is, guys, what you must know, and everyone should be aware. It's an alert, right? Because if you waste this bigger market and you are not doing anything to put your portfolio where it is, by either getting into new altcoins that are popping off like Caspa, how about Tone Coin as well, already top 10 by market cap. Those are amazing projects that are already getting a lot of community involvement. So that's good. Or some of the most legacy cryptos like Ethereum, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and even Cronos. You see? And I have one thing to share with you, to everyone. It's time for us to be brave. In times like this, when it's not easy, Crypto.com, with partnership with Aston Martin, always reminds us that you're born into a life of focus, dedication, and fearlessness. It happens. If you believe that, guys, if you understand that the bull market is, ahead of us, you have to zoom out and understand that, well, Much bigger things are ahead of us, and a lot of partnerships and predictions are ahead, and just bullish, exciting things happening for us. Thanks for watching, everybody. You're being updated. This is what's going on. If you are losing faith in crypto, shake it off and welcome back, because you better stay here to witness that $1 crow, that 301 Shiba Inu, that 100,000 Bitcoin, and Ethereum passing $8,000+. Peace.